All right, our next thing we've got to do is actually put our carabiners on. Remember, our carabiners is actually what taking hooks the young person from the wall to their harness, keeps them safe. So we've got to put those on now. We're going to have to take and undo the lock. Make sure you're holding on here, because if you let go, this will go to the top. So we want to take and make sure that doesn't happen. Take your carabiner, open it up, place it in, let it roll all the way around so it looks like so, and then hook it back to the wall. Okay? Make sure we're going to do that on every one of these now. Okay, at this time what we'd want to do is make sure we store our controller, take care of our locks, we store them, and then the most important part of this whole procedure is coming up.